welcome to this week's vlog. Today I'm not going to push too hard because I'm not feeling very good. So I'll just sort of potter around a little bit, but I will be getting my rainbow unicorn rabbit finished today. All I really need to do is just trim it up and fur the feet, and then this should be available next week, and as always my patrons will get first dibs on it. So by the time no, it'll be next week. So if you're interested in getting it before everyone else, you can join my Patreon, and that's one of the perks on there. Next one is I want to try and get as much of my raccoon done as I can. So I'm pretty much almost finished. I've just really got to do the furring, which will probably take the rest of the day to do that. So we'll see how I go. And also I wanted to just do some test sticker prints for the collection that's releasing tomorrow. It will be some old illustrations of mine. So the video will be up, and if you want to go and check out what I'm talking about, you can check out my previous video. And so they'll be available as prints and stickers. It'll be individual stickers this time, but they're slightly larger than regular ones. So yeah, that will be at creaturesofnat.com, so you can head over there. Anyway, let's get started in the vlog. Bye. So yesterday what I did was print off some test stickers of some Blackwater girls that I did a while ago. So what I did, so I've got a couple printed off, so I'll show you them. So there's that one, that one, that one, and this one. And my patrons get this file as a free printable for my $10 and above patrons. And so if you're interested in that, I'll be doing more printables in the future as well. But this is like the first one that I tried. So that one, and there is the last one. So there's 8 in total. I'll put these up. They're in my shop at the moment as like just individually in the one listing, so you can head over there and choose which lady you like if you're interested in that. And I also tried a few different glossy papers, which I can't seem to get to work with my printers. Like unfortunately they leave it a little bit blotchy. I don't know if you can tell, but yeah, they leave blotchy inks on the paper, which is not what you want. And then there's this one. Again, this is worse than the first one. So that's a shame. And then I tried one of my other printers on the matte paper, and that printer's really terrible, so I won't be using that printer. Again, I tried it again. Blotchy, no good. Yeah, so not very good. So I really only can have them on matte paper. I'm looking at getting another printer, an Epson one with an eco tank, for black and white things like this, which would probably work a little bit better. But we'll see. I'll have to do a bit of research to see which one is the best one for that type of stuff. And doll related stuff. I finished my unicorn bunny, so this one will be up on Friday. And as normal, my patrons will get first choice. Well, not first choice, but what's the word? Preference? Early access, that's the one. So my patrons will get early access to purchase this doll, and if not, then it will go live on Friday. So if you're interested in that, just have a look at that. And that's for all patrons, so no matter what tier you are, so you can be the lowest tier and still get early access to the dolls. And gonna be working on my raccoon, so it needs a bit of a trim. I left this to dry overnight, and then I will give it a little bit of a trim and do the legs, and then hopefully have it up in the coming weeks. I might put another commission swat out, just one, and see if anyone is interested in another commission slot. I might put that out on, well, I have to put it on my Patreon first, well, and out to the public. So I think that's about it for the updates. I'm gonna take some photos of my bunny, and then so I can put it up, get all the stuff ready for Friday, and then think about some more dolls. I wanted to do a tiger, like a throwback from my original first doll that I made, so if you haven't seen that video, I have it back. It should be my last video or the previous video, and it was comparing my first doll to my newest doll, and the first doll I did was a white tiger with orange stripes, so I was thinking about redoing that doll. So I was thinking about redoing that doll for a while, so I think it's probably time that I did it. So that will be, I'll probably do it out of monster clay and then cast it, because it's a tiger head, so it's a little bit different from the lion heads. And I want to actually make it small this time, because I keep making my dolls bigger and bigger and bigger, and I don't want them to be that big, so, but that's just the way they turn out. So I'll probably make a small one. I'm trying to keep the head size probably like that big, considering like my wolf heads are like, my newest wolf head is quite big. So try and keep it to like that size, I think. Even though I like this wolf head, but it's getting a bit too big at the moment. So we'll see how we go with that. Probably won't get that done today, but I can start planning out all of the stuff for that. Also did like a quick little raccoon painting. It was a green one. I might make that in the future too. I haven't made a green raccoon before, so I'll probably think about doing that. And it'll probably be the same, I'll probably use the same material for this, but I'll dye it. I have dyed this fur before in green, and I really like the way it turned out. It was for a caribou though, but yeah, I dyed it green and it looked really, really cool, because you can't actually get that colour. So if I do, I might make a video about that. I'm not sure if it'll be a Patreon exclusive or whether I'll release it. I'm not sure. Maybe I'll do like a more in-depth one on Patreon or something. But yeah, I'll probably do a video on that. Just depends. Just depends really. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So I got the rest of the day to do some stuff, so I'll probably catch you at the end of the video. For today, but I'll show you what I got done. I got quite a bit done. So first off, I actually poured the silicone for my Oni mask, so that's now curing, and then should be ready to test cast probably next week. I took some photos for my little bunny, so this will be up on Friday, like I said. Cat almost fell off the cat tree in the process. And then I've pretty much finished up my raccoon doll, so he will be up for grabs the following week. That's after the bunny. So it looks pretty cool. I managed to fur the feet, and I discovered a new little technique for furring, which is really cool. It's kind of secret now. And then I dyed the tail. So the tail, me dyeing the tail is going to be an exclusive video on my Patreon. So that will go up when the doll goes up, but I'll let everyone know when that is. But you have like the regular doll making video up on YouTube for free, and then this part will be an exclusive video over on my Patreon, and that's for I think it's for all tiers. Just check, I can't remember what it was for, but pretty happy with the way this turned out. So there you have it. So that's pretty much all I've done. So I managed to get $2 done and poured the Oni mask silicone. So that's really cool. Anyway, yeah, you can head to my shop at creaturesofnet.com if you want to see anything that's for sale. I have lots of stuff. I might make a new video on like what's available as well. I did that a couple of months ago with what was available in my shop, so I might do that soon. And then yeah, you can follow, support me on Patreon as well. The link will be in the description, and social media as well at Creatures of Night, Facebook and Instagram. And yeah, I'll probably catch you in the next video. Bye. Oh, and I wanted to say thank you to my patrons that are supporting me at the moment. They let me make videos and dolls and artwork for everybody else, so thank you very, very much for the support. I really do appreciate it. And I need to remember to say it in my videos as well, because I keep forgetting. Anyway, I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!